Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a HUAWEI Nova 13i and let me share with you how to set the gestures on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates. Let's tap. Then let's tap on System Navigation, and as you can see here we've got the gestures. As you can see, you can also customize the 3 buttons navigation, so for example reorder the back button and the recents and hide the navigation keys, so it's totally up to you whether you want to stick to this option or not. To set the gestures we have to tap on this option. If you want to, you can go through the tutorial. Your device will teach you how to use the gestures. However, I will also show you in a second how to use the gestures, so you can just stay. As you can see, instead of the 3 buttons we do not have actually anything, which means that we just set the gestures. We can enter the settings, we can show the navigation bar if you want to. If it's better for you to have this line, then you can apply it, and you can decide whether you want to slide across bottom to switch the apps. Alright, so now a quick tutorial. If you want to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device, just like that. And if you've got the arrow, simply release the finger, so you have to do it quickly because otherwise you will open this option bar. The same situation from the right side, it works the same. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and make sure that this motion is quick and short, like that. And if you want to open the recent, so repeat the gesture, but elongate your finger right here. So no, that's not what I wanted to do. And here you've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.